Alright guys, a little bit of an update. We're not giving up hope on the 96 mark, but might be thinking of a little bit different direction to go with this boat, and that is throwing an electric outboard on here. So what we're trying to figure out today is where we would fit those battery packs. They're a little bit on the bigger side. They're about 3 feet long, 12 inches wide, and then 17, 18 inches tall. So ideally we want to fit 2 of them in here to give us something close to about 20 miles of range up at cruising speed. So the initial thought is to put them where the fuel tank was. And I know, so we've got almost 4.5 feet from bow to stern, which is good. And then this should be two and change. That should be enough. That's 2 3/4. So we definitely have the length and the width. The question is going to be, can we, once we pull the console up a bit, how deep is that tank going to go? So what actually we need to look at first is going to be, because I would be very surprised, there's no way that this cavity here is going to be deep enough just looking at the boat from the outside. So what we actually probably need to measure instead is going to be the actual console itself. Still 3.5 feet is going to be fine. Might still have the width. That's going to be, so we got the width, got the length. And so this subfloor we can obviously just cut out, and then we will be cutting out the wall there. Obviously we're going to take out the storage there, but unfortunately that's not going to give us the height we need on the front. So be interesting to see once we pull this out. Regardless, we got to pull the console, look at the fuel tank, run some new lines, and then so we need space for the 2 battery packs, and then the PDUs, power distribution unit, which the 2 batteries go to, and then 1 connection goes out back to the outboard. So that PDU most likely is going to would sit either on some sort of bracket inside the console on top of the batteries, or in this back there's a bench seat right here, which you could mount it in and then drill through the deck. So we'll see. Probably take some more measurements, and then we're gonna quickly just buff the entire interior of this Mako. Got the Rupus, the new Rupus compound, which is phenomenal. And yeah, we'll see.